The greatest thing about the place where I live now is this lemon tree. It's right outside the kitchen window. Today I'm going to show you how to make a hot lemon drink. It's a pretty complicated recipe, so make sure you watch carefully. First, pick a lemon off the tree, then wash it, cut it in half, and juice it. Then pour some lemon juice into a cup, pour some water into the jug, boil the jug, and add boiling water to the cup. Stir. Finally, add some sweetener. I used this apple syrup because it happened to be sitting in my fridge. And stir. Delicious.